Right, I'm going to go over to the hospital.
Why are you feeling ill?
Yes.
After seeing all those human players.
I'll get my bed early. TV. Oh, McMaster's down. Oh, what a shame. The possibility they may just all come out. So I can get me the next game.
Yeah. So I wonder who got him.
I don't know. Tempting. Oh, you're in the area. That's the bloke who got him.
Who's that?
TTV salmonella or whatever it is, salmonella.
Okay.
It's like salmonella.
Yeah. Food poisoning.
Exactly, yeah.
So what's the lesson make Mesa learn how to eat while you're doing war?
Yeah. Oh, that Matty Hun.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, he's dead. Salmonella's dead.
Interesting turn of events.
Yeah.
Anyone looking for green ammo?
No,
I'm okay, thank you.
I still can't find a telescope.
There's a drop coming down over here. See if it goes. If not, that will have 4 tons on it.
Maybe I must take the risk.
There's no one there. Oh, it's just gone. Was that you?
No.
Alright, there's someone there then. You still going for it?
I'm still going for it.
Okay. Can't see anyone near at the moment. Can't see anyone near. I'm near you, mate.
Okay. I see a shadow
Did
going
you
over.
Yeah, sorry about that. Right, I'm here.
Right, there's 4 times. Okay, there's
Take it.
3 armor and a scar and a P90 for you.
I'll take the P90 if anyone else wants it.
Go for it. Okay, I'll keep watch.
You want the level 3 helmet?
No, go for it.
Okay, I'm done. Right, should we get out of here, or do you want to stay here?
Let's go out of here.
Yep.
I feel very
Should we go to
exposed.
Wild Reef?
Yes.
Oh my god, how far out we got to run? Come on. There we go.
Mm.
I see Stalky is
You got-
online.
Is he? Oh, he's finally got here then. Okay. I've got a level 2 vest over here if anyone wants it.
No, all good, thank you.
Okay, no problem. That sounds like a stalky.
It might be.
Is,
Hello, you're right.
is this now the time to arrive here?
Are you in the thick of it?
You cut out there, mate. Sorry, what?
Are you right in the thick of it at the moment? Are you?
Kind of. There's a lot of people in this one.
Okay.
We could use a bit of help.
Well, it's too late.
I know.
Yeah, we need backup.
I don't know if it'll last long, but we'll see.
There's 19 alive, so it's gonna go quick.
Let me see if I can watch you.
I don't know if I've got my thing on to do that.
It still says you're not logged into to Steam.
Is it not?
No.
I've got 4 times. Thank you, though.
Okay, Peter, you need it 4 times?
Yes, please.
Okay, you...
Right.
You're
Let
still,
me,
you're still in Fisherman's.
Oh, fuck yeah, I'm still like browsing. I'm doing window shopping.
Okay.
right. I'm going to quickly come out and see if I can work out how to do this.
I ought to be coming your way. In the big house.
Yeah.
I think it's that one. Oh, someone's just here. Was that you?
Yeah, that's Peter.
Me. Surprise! Oh, fan.
Did that work? Can you see the game? Stalker?
He doesn't want to talk to us.
No, it doesn't, does he?
Talk to us.
Stalky? No, he's gone. I don't know where he's gone.
Well, he's still on.
Yeah. I was trying to stream the game, see if it's working, but... Hello. I was trying to
How'd you
stream the game. I don't know if it works. So if I do that, go live. Do you
Oh, yeah.
get that? You got that? Do you see the game?
Yeah. Got it.
It should be 209, 208, 207. I think that's almost right.
Yeah.
I haven't got a sniper rifle, so I'm a bit buggered.
P90 though.
I've got P90, Lovac, and G36.
I've got a VKS for you.
That's all right. Thank you, though.
Right, I've got a VKS and a FLG.
Oh, nice.
So, which one do you want?
Oh, no. It's all good. All good. It's fine. If you get extended barrel on a VKS, it's actually quite good. Where are they? What's also over there?
Okay, Sam, do you have a 4x with you?
I do, yes.
Okay.
Here's another FLG.
Okay, I'm gonna take that FLG and I'm gonna give you my Remy.
I haven't got a FLG.
No, I'm gonna.
No, yes.
Pete found one.
Oh, okay. Do you want a Lovac then? With all the trimmings.
It's fine.
Okay, thank you.
It will shoot someone
So
600.
You've got a scope. Okay, there's a compliment.
Excellent, thank you. Yeah, all good, thank you.
Alright, I'm gonna.
Oh, nice.
Quick.
On the left.
A balloon coming down at
Oh, lovely, thank you.
Ocean. No, well, what is it? It is Ocean Park, yeah, it is Ocean. Oh, we've got to go Ocean Park. No! Okay. There is no one at Ocean Park. That balloon is still down.
Okay.
Should we go that way? Where's it go? Yeah, it's still there.
Thank you for the flashbang.
No worries. Okay, when do you want to go over that way? Whoa, no! I saw it fly by me. Right.
Love it! Motherfucker. Ah!
How many of those things do you have?
6. He got them all.
How many? He's got like all of them.
Okay, there's a whole squad of bots there by. I hope they're bots.
Okay.
Where
There's still
fishermen.
Yeah.
Okay. There's still no one at Ocean Park, by the way, just to let you know.
Okay, are we jumping over?
We should go that way. So I could see a balloon just the other side of the tent, and it's not gone. Which makes me think they've all come out.
Okay, let's go over to Ocean Park then.
Who did you have on there?
Well, Mechmaster was on here. We had that Salmonella bloke.
He's in the lobby. Mechmaster's in the lobby.
Yeah, he got killed almost straight away.
Oh, did he? Okay, what a shame.
Yeah. Had,
He's dead.
yes, Salmonella bloke, someone else as well. I can't remember who it was now. Right, that balloon's now gone.
He a little bit dead.
Really like where I am actually, if I'm honest.
Okay, guys. After this game, I'm gonna quickly take a break. I need to go do supper.
Okay.
So Sam, do you have to pull my shoes here?
I'll try, mate. I'll try. The Stalky's in now, isn't he?
Yeah, no, I'm not worried about Stalky. I'm worried about Peter, man.
Ah, okay.
Yes, it is. I'm gonna.
Yeah, Stalky, I know he can handle himself.
I try.
Actually, you missed it yesterday. Peter was the only one who survived, and he killed quite a few people.
No, he can kill people, but he gets stuck in between furniture.
He does.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's true. I forgot
Gets
about that.
stuck in thin air.
Just say.
Yeah.
Okay. 6 other people.
Well, that's right next to us.
Small area.
Yeah. It's right here as well. Kind of don't like this, actually.
What did I miss?
Have you been away?
Oh.
So all my comments was now wasted.
It was.
Sorry, man.
Oh, I heard the thingy. Oh, but this is bugged here, isn't it? Thinking about it.
Yeah. This is a glitch.
Yeah. Oh, what you got? What you got?
Someone in the tent. Oh, thanks, Sam.
No worries. Thought say hello. I think we're alone, actually.
I think we're alone now.
This is where that other bloke comes along, isn't it?
Only stay for a short period of time.
6 Guillotine, or whatever it was, isn't it?
Yeah.
I repeat, there are only 4 seats. Please board as soon as possible.
Oh no. One left.
Is Sam
Is it?
behind you? Behind you?
Dead. Well done, guys. Oh no, it's got me.
3 spots left. 2 spots left.
Shit.
Can't wait any longer. All personnel on board, prepare for takeoff. I repeat, prepare for takeoff.
Yeah, well played, guys.
That was good.